There's probably two main categories of problem with site mixing. You've got the problem of how do you produce a 12 Newton mortar with a spade and somebody's eye. You've essentially put the quality control in the hands of the labourer. You're asking him to manually move tons of material into a mixer, gauge those consistencies with the sand and cement, dose the water, dose the admixtures, all with his eye. From a health and safety point of view, you've got a guy handballing tons of sand into a mixer. You've got the risk of dust inhalation. When that guy washes that mixer out onto the floor of that site, you've then got slips, trips and falls. You've got one hell of a mess. Forgetting the rubbish that's blowing all over the site, there's one hell of a mess. A ready-to-use mortar is going to basically fix all those problems we just talked about. So technically, you've got a factory-produced material being delivered to site that meets the British and European standards. You've got consistency and you've got quality. There'll be no more piles of sand getting contaminated on site. There'll be no more cement bags blowing around on site. All of those aspects of noise and mess involved with site mixing, they're gone. So your bricklayers will be more productive. Your forklift truck can be utilised at quieter periods throughout the day. It's just moving into the 21st century. When you compare the two methods, it doesn't make any sense to mix on site anymore. You've got a safer, cleaner, quicker, technically better way of doing things. It's got to be the way forward. We want our people at work to be more productive and safer, surely.